Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday, TGIF. Oh, thank God it's Friday, but I've been up since you don't want to know. Trust me, you don't want to know. I've been working on some new stuff. You'll be seeing it in the very near future and into the future. Last night was a fun little dish from Marie at English Kitchen. Pork loin and sauerkraut. It's a layered dish. It's easy. It's something you can do on an evening, a weekday evening without a problem. The only thing is, it's about a 2-hour roasting time. That's about the only thing that'll get you, if you don't mind it. Well, you know what I mean. It was good, though. It was really, really good. I went a little heavy on the brown sugar, but that was just me. But it was good. Repeatable. Tonight is a culinary expedition night. This is a truly layered dish. Where am I? Oops. Let me see where I'm going. I don't know. Azerbaijan? Maybe? Yes, Azerbaijan. Again, this is a layered dish. It's a pork. Actually, I'm using pork. Beef prices are just way too high. So I'm using a pork loin. Matter of fact, it was the brother sister to the pork loin from yesterday. But this is good. This is a nice layered dish. A lot of fun. But this is a simmered dish, not a roasted dish. So let's get moving. Like I mentioned before, I'm using pork. This will be cubed. Olive oil for the brownings, the saute. Onion, kosher salt, black pepper, carrots, red bell pepper, Roma tomatoes, russet potatoes, garlic, green cabbage. There's some chicken broth or any broth that will go with the pork or the beef, whichever you use would work fine. And some cumin and some sweet paprika. I'm using Spanish. This is actually a smoked, but I misread it this morning. So I'm just a little tired and a little punchy. So forgive me. Like I said, I've been up since, long time. But I'm going to get a nap this afternoon. Come hell or high water, I'm getting a nap. All right. So on this Friday, this TGIF, treat yourselves. Something. Ice cream, caramel corn, whatever. Just treat yourself today. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.